today's video, we're combining wheat with the John Deere 8820 and the 20-foot John Deere 920 grain head. We're going to be combining this field of wheat, and we're hauling wagons with the John Deere 4430. Done with the second field of wheat we've done so far. Dad did one round around this other field we're gonna get done today. So we just got done with this smaller strip here. So we'll go ahead and start this other one. We got the hay chop that I mowed down yesterday. But we'll start running the combine in the next field here. We've done 30 acres so far, so see how many more we can get done. we got that field all off. We're up to 41.5 acres of wheat off. Dad baled about half the field that I combined yesterday. So combine's cooled down. Got the bin empty. Mom's unloading the wagon that has some wheat left in it. Go ahead and shut her down. So it is July 7th right now. We're cutting some wheat. Dad finished, or no, he still got some, he's not quite done baling that field right over there, the first one we combined. So we're in the second to last field of wheat at the home farm. It looks like it's trying to rain for like the last 3 rounds. It looked like the rain was coming, but combining some seed wheat right now. We're gonna keep for next year and plant. It's cleaning pretty good. My door likes to open up on me. We baled about 75 big square bales yesterday. They're all put away, except for the ones that Dad baled today. If it don't rain, I suppose we'll have to pick them up too. But it'd be nice to have a cab skid loader to do that kind of stuff, you know, when it's hot and then you get a bunch of straw on you. And, yeah, we might have to order one of them. We'll keep going here. New skid loader's pulling in the drive, guys. Check it out. Oh, buddy, she looking mint. Also got a tillage tool that Dad picked up coming in on the semi. We're almost to the end. We're gonna have to go check this out. We got a good excuse. We're full and they took my seed wagon, so. Man, looks better than the pictures did. All the way up from Wisconsin. Oh yeah, buddy, even came with bale spears. See, I told you guys it'd be nice to have a new loader. I wasn't kidding. So we got the skid loader and 8-bottom plow unloaded. The trucker just left. Just got back combining again. 53 acres into wheat harvest. So keep knocking it out here. Just eating her away. According to the yield monitor, 80 bushel wheat right here. I don't think it's accurate, but I guess we'll find out when we're all done and calculate how many acres we did by how many bushels we did. So let's get combining. Dad's over there running the new loader, picking up bales. See if he can do it as fast as I can, picking up them bales. He's not even done baling the straw, he must just want to run it. The moisture's dropped quite a bit since I first started on this side of the field. Going really good. There's not much down wheat anymore. It's just kind of on the edges of the fields. And there's always a spot or two right here that just knocked over a little bit. And then down here there's a spot that's basically down the whole way across a narrow strip, but it could be worse. Well, she's raining. They're trying to get the rest of them bales picked up. And I made her about 3/4 of the way up the field and headed about the whole way up. We ran her up to 20%. About slugged her down here when the wheat was down, so junk, we're done.